Welcome to Techi Jack. In this video we are going to install the Open WebUI with Ollama on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS server using Docker. First of all, let's see what do we mean by Ollama. Ollama is a tool that lets you run powerful AI models like ChatGPT on your own computer or on your own server. Imagine in this way, like usually when you ask ChatGPT something, your computer sends the question to a big server somewhere far away and then it sends the answer back to you. But with the Ollama, you can download the brain, that is AI model, to your own system so you can ask the question even offline. It's like having a mini ChatGPT installed on your server. And what are the benefits of that? It runs AI locally and it's fully private. It works with the models like LLaMA, Mistral, etc. In a simple word, try to understand in a way like LLaMA is a kind of a smart brain and Ollama is a toolbox to use that brain easily from your computer or from your server. So we are going to build it. So let's go to the server and see how we can install and configure it. So right now we are on our MobiXterm. And this is the IP for my Ubuntu server 192.168.2.162. So let me connect it. You can see we are using Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. This machine has a 3 cores of processor and it has a memory approx 15 GB. If you want, you can install it on a high configuration computer to get the better results. So first of all, let's try to update the Ubuntu server. So I will run this commandlet and it's asking the password for the Jack user. And now the update process has been started. So we have updated the system packages and installed the latest version of software on this Ubuntu system. Now let's try to install the Docker and Docker Compose with Git. Docker will run the containers, Docker Compose will manage the multi-container apps, and Git will be used to clone the Open WebUI project. To install this, I will run this command and will hit enter. Let's start the Docker service and enables it to launch automatically on the boot. I will run this command, and if you want to see the status for the Docker, you can see it is active, running, it is enabled for the startup. Let me clear the screen. Let's now clone the official Open WebUI GitHub repository into the home directory. To do that, I will run this command, cloning into Open WebUI. So it's done. Open WebUI web interface works on the port 3000. In case you are trying to access it from the outside, you need to forward the port 3000 to your this machine. And if the firewall is enabled, you have to allow that port as well. Now let's open the docker compose.yaml file and try to edit that. To edit that, I will use this command nano docker compose.yaml. So this is the file. Let me clear everything from here. I will paste my code here. So this is my code. This Ollama hosts the LLM models and Open WebUI provides a chat interface in the browser. Restart always ensures that both containers will auto start after the reboot. So let me save this by pressing the Ctrl O and Ctrl X. I will exit out of it. Now let's start the Docker containers. It's pulling Ollama. It's downloading the necessary Docker images and starts building the services defined in the docker compose.yaml file. It's downloading and extracting and processing that. It is about to complete it, creating Ollama and creating Open WebUI. So you can see it's done successfully. Let's go to the browser and try to paste this. You can see we have the page here. Let's click on get started and here you have to create the admin account. So let me create it. We are successfully logged in and this is the version. So let's click on OK and let's go. Here you can see select a model. Right now there is no result found, and if we type here something, tell me a fun fact, and if I send a query, you can see model not selected. To install the model, we will download the LLaMA 3 language model inside the Ollama container so that it can respond to our chat. Let's go back to our Ubuntu server and I will run this command to download the LLaMA language model inside the Ollama container. So it's almost about 4.7 gigs. It will take a bit time. Verifying the digest now, and you can see the CPU is going to utilize by 100% now, though it has a 3 core. So if we go and check now, we have LLaMA 3. This is the latest or arena model. So to test it, let's type the query like how much CPU you need to work smoothly. Let's see if it answers this or not. You can see how slowly it is answering. If you see the utilization, you can see CPU is utilized 100%. So you can see it gave us the requirement for this heavy duty task, and it also gave the summary. It's working now, though it's working a bit slow, but if we have a proper resources, it will work more smoothly. So this way you can install your own ChatGPT system. You can use this system offline without the internet, or if you want to publish it over the internet, you can do that as well. I hope the video was informative. Let's meet in a next video.